If you want to know how to download pictures on Instagram, then you've come to the right place. Hey guys, this is Ice King. If you want to be updated of the latest life hacks, tips, tricks, and tutorial videos, make sure to subscribe and tap the notification bell. Alright, so as we all know, there is no native option to download pictures from Instagram. So you'll have to use a third-party software to get the job done. So in this video, I'm gonna show you the best method on how to download Instagram pictures. This method is great for casual users, as it allows you to download pictures from Instagram one by one without the need to install software on your device. So launch Instagram on your device and find the picture that you want to download. Tap the three vertical dots icon above the image. Select copy link from the given options. Now you have to go to Google Chrome and visit DownloadGram's website at www.downloadgram.com. Now paste the link into the text box. And then tap download followed by download image. Just long press the picture and then select download image. And finally press download. And we're done. If you wanna know how I made this Instagram intro, just click the link in the description. Thank you. I'm out.